Start by melting some butter in a large pot over medium heat and then add some thinly sliced leeks and cook until they're translucent. Next, add arborio rice and stir for about a minute or so to get the rice a little toasty. Add a splash of white wine and stir until it's just absorbed. Then add chicken or vegetable stock a little bit at a time while constantly stirring, waiting until the stock's mostly absorbed before adding in more. Next, add some radishes and continue adding chicken stock little by little until it's all gone, but keep stirring the whole time. Season with salt and add some chopped asparagus, but continue stirring until the rice and veggies are al dente. Add some mascarpone cheese and a few knobs of butter along with some fresh lemon zest. Give that a good stir and then add in lots of grated Parmesan cheese along with some frozen peas that have been thawed, freshly chopped chives, and cracked black pepper, and then mix that up until it's all combined. Spoon the risotto into bowls and then finish it with more lemon zest, grated Parmesan cheese, and chopped chives, and then serve it while it's piping hot.